Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Tuesday of Thanksgiving week. Today is where the work really begins. I've gone over my plan. I've gone over it again and again. Again, today is the day the work begins. Last night, I prepared beef comfort rice or steak comfort rice, however you want to say it. It's all beef. It's based on a stir-fry recipe that's been a classic here in the Casual Chef's Kitchen for many years. Oh, it did not disappoint. It was very good, very comforting, and very warm on a cold, chilly night. Check out the recipe, have fun with it, and enjoy. Tonight, I'm going really simple. I discovered this particular recipe while doing the culinary expedition. It's the Vatican-Style Linguine pasta and oil. What makes this one a little different than most is you actually are going to heat and kind of cook the oil and garlic before it goes onto the pasta. So let's get to it. Super simple recipe. As you know, I love linguine. You can use spaghetti. You can probably use most pastas. So we've got linguine, a little bit of salt, extra virgin olive oil, garlic, of course, some Szechuan chili pepper flakes, and some parsley. And I'm going to add I have this tomato kind of hanging out. I want to use it before I lose it. So I'll dice this bad boy up and basically add it to the cooked pasta. So a super simple dinner after a long day. It won't be a long day, but a day of prepping for Thanksgiving. The more prep I can do now, the less hurried it is and chaotic on actual Thanksgiving. I hope you're working your plan. I'm sure you are. So, on this Tuesday, which is normally Taco Tuesday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.